And you know, I want to say good stuff weather-wise. We have something for everyone.
We do. You're exactly right.
That's how I'm going to look at it.
Jason Mikell, what you got for us tonight?
I feel like it is a little bit of a mixed bag of tricks across Northeast Ohio. As Laura, you were just saying, we do get the best of things here, and we get a whole lot of it across Northeast Ohio, no matter what time of year it is. We've had spring earlier this week. We've had, even for some, they might even say, oh, Jason, it felt like summer outside. We had upper 70s in some areas there. But we got fall moving back in. We got 30s overnight tonight, and we even have a little bit of rain-snow mixing in that 7-day forecast. So we're back to winter as we head towards early next week. So the average high temperature today was about 65 degrees. We topped out at about 61 degrees at Cleveland Hopkins. We had a slow progression of temperatures climbing today. We had a lot of cloud cover earlier this morning and also very heavy rain. So we were kind of really dragging on to heat things up. But once we did, we went into the 60s. 50 degrees is where we began the morning here. So over the next few hours, we're going to be cooling down significantly across the area. We'll have a few clouds to kind of linger across Northeast Ohio. Not a whole lot, though. So we'll have a few clouds that will allow temperatures to fall, and I think we'll likely hang out around the low 40s as far as the lakeshore is concerned. But inland areas will likely be in the mid to upper 30s waking up for tomorrow morning. So patchy areas of frost you'll be dealing with. Sun and clouds. We've got a chilly start out there. 30s, as I said before. A few clouds to start and a few clouds to finish, but we'll have increasing clouds through the afternoon on Friday, but we'll top out in the 50s. No 60s are we expecting for us tomorrow afternoon. It may be just for a couple spots, but not widespread. The lower 48. Okay, so when you take a look at the satellite and radar map, we don't have a whole lot of activity happening here across the area as of right now, but I want to draw your attention to the color contours. We usually put these on to kind of indicate where the colder areas and where the warmer areas. We have a deep trough extending across the eastern half of the country right now, and we also have this really potent and very large area of low pressure that's pulling in some snow showers straight out of Canada. That frontal boundary that came through yesterday brought a lot of heavy rain. This is why the Guardians were not able to play today over in New York City. And you can see there that frontal boundary is still lapping up a lot of moisture coming onshore with flash flooding concerns still along the I-95 corridor. Snow showers back over towards northern Minnesota. Those snow showers will not be moving into our area over the next 24, 48, or even 72 hours. It is another lobe of cold energy coming out of Canada that will slash right into our area late Monday heading in towards Tuesday. We do have a little bit of a weak frontal boundary moving through the area right now. So we had a due west wind earlier this afternoon. They're now becoming a little bit more southwesterly. But our temperatures, though, because of the mid and upper levels are pulling in all that cold air, we're still about 10 to 15, perhaps even up to 20 degrees cooler from this point yesterday. Mid to upper 40s, low 50s across the region right now. Some light rain showers beginning to move through, and this is just some of those roll-off showers from that energy back towards Illinois and also Wisconsin, even portions of Michigan. This is not going to be heavy. This is not going to be prolonged. This is just going to be very, very scattered in nature. So let's roll the clock forward here in your National Design Mark hour-by-hour forecast. Notice those clouds are clearing late tonight. Mid to upper 30s expected. Low 40s along the lakeshore. 5 a.m. Look at this. Most of the area is dry. We got some lingering cloud cover to start us out for tomorrow morning. We have that south wind now. We still have that south wind coming in and turning more southwesterly late morning into early afternoon. So again, as I said, we're likely going to push our temperatures up to near the 60-degree mark, and a couple areas like Elyria could top out around 60 degrees and then fall thereafter. Friday night football is not going to be a rain out. It's going to be a cool one, though, so you need a light jacket, perhaps even a sweater. We'll keep it in the 30s, low 40s overnight tonight. Tomorrow on the hour, temperatures climbing. Lots of sunshine. You can enjoy that. Mid to upper 50s expected, perhaps even a few low 60s. Now we really need to set the stage of what's to come. Okay, so you can see here the mid to upper level pattern. That trough extending down across the area right now becomes even more potent for the early portions of next week. Trough in the east, ridge in the west. This is why we're going to have some energy coming out of Canada that's going to wrap around, and we'll still be watching to see how the models really pick up on this early Monday leading into Tuesday. This lake effect band, once you get the very warm lake effect temperatures, you'll have those cold air coming right over the lake, so which cause some precipitation. 40s, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at this, back into the 50s we go for the rest of the week.
Jason, come on over. Come sit with us for a second.
Oh, that's right. We're back to this.
We're back together. We certainly are. So
I can join you guys again.
So the ridge in the west means warm there, and what is the trough in the west or the ridge in the west?
Ridge in the west, trough in the east. Okay. And then we flip that this time next week. So we kind of balance things out.
Ridge in the west, trough in the east.
Okay.
Got it.
There'll be a quiz.
Yes.
All right.
All I know is we're going to have all the seasons.
During the commercial break, there will be.
Okay, very good.
Thanks for joining us. Had to get the guy over here.